Underrated cryptocurrency coins better than Bitcoin. Among all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is all the rage, and this is for good reason. As one of the first cryptocurrencies ever made, Bitcoin is one of the most traded and is one of the most valuable digital currencies in circulation today. But the fact of the matter is, other than Bitcoin, new cryptocurrencies have arisen that just may be worth your money as well. In this video, we discuss what those cryptocurrencies are and evaluate their performance next to Bitcoin. We answer questions pertaining to their origin, value, and their future. Before we dive in though, please make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on notifications. Our content is interesting and engaging, and you sure wouldn't want to miss a single video. Now, Bitcoin is a very good cryptocurrency. With prices presently hovering beneath the $40,000 mark, it is still the most traded cryptocurrency worldwide. However, for all its benefits, Bitcoin has a lot of problems. The majority of them present themselves in their energy demands and carbon footprint. There's also wariness about all the fraudulent schemes that revolve around Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. People have been scammed of millions of dollars before, with no means of tracing the culprits. For these reasons, investors have started to divest from Bitcoin. This doesn't mean they're giving up on cryptocurrencies completely. If you're an investor in such a position and you don't exactly know what to do with your money, then don't despair. Allow us to introduce you to some alternative cryptocurrencies which might be worth your time, effort, and cash. These altcoins, as they are called, are legitimate alternatives to Bitcoin and not at all fraudulent schemes. Number 1. Dogecoin. Dogecoin has a rather interesting history. Developed by genius programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, it started out as a joke, born out of their cynicism for cryptocurrency in general. In recent years, spurred on by communities such as Reddit and Twitter, Dogecoin has risen in popularity and value. In fact, Tesla and SpaceX CEO and co-founder Elon Musk has personally championed Dogecoin ever since dumping Bitcoin. One of the advantages that Dogecoin has over Bitcoin is that it is far less environmentally taxing to mine. Additionally, an infinite number of Dogecoin can exist compared to Bitcoin's 21 million. Presently, there are about 130 billion Dogecoins in circulation, trading at $0.388. Number 2. Ethereum. After Bitcoin, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It was originally released in July 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and Gavin Wood, following a crowdfunding campaign. Although this isn't unique to Ethereum, one of the biggest drivers of the cryptocurrency is decentralization. Ethereum also has a host of other applications in the field of decentralized finance. In addition, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum has no supply cap. Ethereum blocks take 2 seconds longer to validate than Bitcoin blocks, which is an insignificant difference. Though Ethereum can be as environmentally taxing to mine as Bitcoin, there are plans in place to shift the framework onto a much more sustainable infrastructure. Currently, the price of Ethereum hovers just beneath $3,000. Number 3. Litecoin. When it comes to the technicalities, Litecoin is virtually identical to Bitcoin. This cryptocurrency was developed by Charlie Lee in 2011 as an altcoin. Like Bitcoin, on which it is based, the total number of Litecoin that can exist is capped at 84 million. In spite of this, there are certain key differences between Litecoin and Bitcoin. For one, each Litecoin block takes much less time to confirm than Bitcoin. In addition, Litecoin employs the use of more forgiving programming scripts, meaning that not so much computer processing power is required to mine it. As at the time of this video, Litecoin is trading at about $180 per unit. Number 4. Ripple. Originally authored by Arthur Britto, David Schwartz, Ryan Fugue in 2012, Ripple is a real-time payment protocol and currency exchange network built upon a distributed open-source protocol that supports tokens representing traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies, and other commodities or assets. This means that Ripple is more of a marketplace than a regular cryptocurrency. Regardless, real-world assets can be converted to crypto tokens within the platform. Currently, those tokens just about match a dollar one-to-one. For those wary about Bitcoin, Ripple might prove a safer alternative to trading in the digital world. Despite the fact that the company has had a brush with the law before, their crypto tokens are now recognized as a legitimate altcoin. Number 5. NEO. Designed in 2014 by Da Hongfei and Eric Zhang, NEO was formerly known as Ant Shares. Since rebranding in 2017, this altcoin has persevered in the crypto marketplaces and trading exchanges. Like Bitcoin, NEO has a limited supply, capped at 100 million coins. Currently, one NEO lies just beneath $60. Not only is NEO a cryptocurrency, but it is also a platform intended to facilitate the decentralized exchange of digital assets. NEO's functions are more similar to Ethereum than to Bitcoin, since the platform aspect of it can facilitate such exchanges as smart contracts. Like Bitcoin, though, NEO has been known to have its periods of exponential growth. Anyone who is smart about trading NEO can earn good money out of the coin. Number 6. Tether. Last on this list is Tether, which is a little sketchy compared to all the other cryptocurrencies thus far. The thing about Tether is that its creators claim that all of its units match real-world dollars. However, upon investigation, it has been found that the framework behind Tether isn't as solid as the creators claim. Regardless, investors are hesitant to pull out of the scheme, which is still gathering momentum. By design, the value of Tether always matches a dollar. If those dollars actually exist remains to be seen. In spite of all the buzz around Tether, some experts speculate that it is a scam sustained by bank loans and empty promises. Coming to the end of this video, we hope you've learned about underrated cryptocurrency coins, which may just be better than Bitcoin. All of these coins have their specific advantages and disadvantages, so make sure you evaluate them all perfectly before you invest. Is there some other crypto coin you know of which you think we neglected to include in this list? Please feel free to discuss this below. We would like to remind you to like, subscribe, comment, and share as we sign off. Those gestures go a long way to support the channel and let us know to keep coming at you with the content. Our videos are always made to be entertaining, informative, and engaging. We know for sure you wouldn't want to miss a single one. Till our next video, take care. Catch you later.